Hi guys, welcome back to Island Adventure Caribbean Style, and my name is Arianna, and as you can see, we're doing something different today. We are cooking. Not sure which beach we're going on yet, what part we're going on yet. Not too familiar with the name of the beach, but we are cooking today on the beach for some hikers, and you guys are coming along for the ride with us. So right now we are going to board the boat down here. You guys are coming along with us. Let's go.
Just have to move the stuff from the car down to the jetty to get the boat.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
These fellas make things look easy, eh?
So guys, you can see they're taking all the boat here for us. So guys, we're on the boat. Ooh, it's a little bit scary. Let's go.
It takes a second to catch up to yourself.
Guys, I have Darius cleaning up here. These are going to help the fellas and me.
Guys, check this place out. It's absolute paradise. Big cave over there. Everybody's excited about the cave, so let's run and check the cave out. Mommy, I can run faster than you know. What do you see there? Oh, even a bat.
So guys, this is so awesome. Go back to This is so nice. It's so nice.
This is why everybody walks here. This is why everybody hikes here, baby. All right, I'm gonna get the fire started. Here we are walking through the cave. I'm making the kids a little breakfast before we get cooking there, so we're gonna have some bacon and eggs. Mummy over there setting up, organizing for the hikers when they come.
So guys, we're here. I'm cutting up some sweet peppers and stuff for the baked bean here. I have the rice done boiled here, just to fry it up. I have my vegetables here, and I have the fish across there, just waiting for the hikers them to get here so they can eat and enjoy this lovely beach. Bush cooking at its best, guys. Have the vegetables here for the rice. Oh Lord, Bills, you found any fish today, boy?
Ah. You asked for fire, I given you fire.
So guys, we fish here, we cooking here now.
Look at it.
What is salmon for us? Let's take it out.
So how was the first one?
It was good.
Very good. Excellent.
It was good.
Help yourself.
We are
D-boy, it's all about the experience. So again,
Did anybody get any sand in your meal?
I suggest
Not this time.
oh, we
What?
came this way.
Okay, well you tried.
We can see up there. Hot like crazy up inside.
There's yeah.
Yeah.
So to avoid the people
There's a salad.
to come in.
Yeah.
Yeah, fellas, how was the food? All right, don't waste your food there, eh? Eat that rice. Who's that rice there? Dylan's. Why'd you take so much?
Arianna does.
Oh, so you're getting sand all on your plate. Look, there's so much sand there, you're not going to want to eat it anyway.
So guys, I'm gonna be right here because they wouldn't
Yeah.
so bad. So mommy's finally eating.
Eh? You got it? You didn't get ready.
I barely get.
What you win? What is it? It's a buoy from a ship.
We need Daddy to show this.
Here you throw like a girl. I would say the buoy won that one. The buoy won that one. Go! Thank God for the buoy, you'd have drowned it. What you in?
Let's do the tricky part.
Put a light coat on, Derek. Put a light coat on now. Put a light coat on now, Derek.
So we're leaving the beach. The boys I'm going on the boat, and we are going to hike up here. So I'm scared of the water, so that is why I decided to hike back with the hiking crew. So guys,
Yeah.
we're on the trail here. So with Ari. Ari, how you feeling?
Hungry.
You hungry already? But you ain't sort of walk good yet?
I feel a fast snack.
You feeling fast now?
Just because I see these sneakers, for right there.
I'm not sure. Everybody who knows me know I'm not a big hiking person. But I'd rather do the hike now
Then go to the water.
than go in the water.
Oh, Mommy, we come up here.
We didn't reach so far.
You gotta reach right here.
Sorry, how you feeling so far?
Alright, I just sweating and I'm hot.
So guys, we are by the bridge. So we are at the end.
Let's
We're
wait
by
on
the
the
bridge.
others, alright?
Yeah. So guys, we made it. I hiked back out. I did it.
And we have our map of hiking and hiking.
Yes, we did it.
Confusion on the spring break.
Yes.